Afternoon all. How are we? We've come this way today to try and worm our way back up to that Wernfach. I camped up on that peak. But depending on what time we got, I'm going to go on past it. I'm trying to find an easier way up to it instead of beelining it straight up the mountain. So yeah, I'm going to work our way up here now and see where it takes us. Alright, still going. I need to get up right up there somewhere, somehow. Just stick one foot in front of the other and we'll get there eventually, won't we? Christ, I made a mess here. Fair play. That's it. We're beelining it up now. Plugging on up here now, and hopefully we'll get out on the top of the mountain. We'll see. Right, we're lost. Never mind. We're out. Just come out from that gate there. Whoa, that was a mission up there then. I don't know what time it is. I don't know how we done for time, right? Not that I've timed my walks in the race, is it? First little cairn we come to do the traditional thing and slap my stone on there. Sweating your bloody nuts off. Mission on. Alright, we're heading down now. Heading down to go back up. So I'm trying to get up on top of there. Try and find somewhere with signal, like, so I can watch the boxing. If you're into boxing or not, like. It's all 5v5, innit? Eddie Hearn and Frank Warren, innit? See how that Deontay Wilder does against that Zhilei Zhang, like. Big Bang Zhang. There's a few good fights on, actually. Daniel Dubois and Philip Ergovich and that. Nick Ball. Yeah, hopefully I get some signal, I can watch it then, right? Any rocks? You'd be aching, wouldn't you? Done a few miles. Some of that chunk off you. Just went to the vets the other day, like, and she's overweight. She's like 9 kilos. got to lose a bit of weight, she's got to go on a diet. And too many treats. Hey? Too many treats, didn't you? Look at you. Your tank. Oh well, let's keep smashing on. Oh, light shining on the hill over there, look. Like a light beam. Crazy. Oh, let's get down here. Pick up. Hey, getting number 2 rocks. Well done. Slap a rock on him. Happy days. That's it. We've plugged on up here now. I think we're pretty much at the top of it, like. Whew. Yeah, well, keep plugging on. Yeah, I was just looking at this this grass, like this flowered grass. It's lovely, isn't it? Not sure what it is. Some kind of grass like that. I tell you what, I bet that would make some good fire starting material, like super soft. It's like fur. That and a bit of Vaseline, like petroleum jelly. Go up like a rocky, I expect. Getting distracted. Keep pushing on. A few ponies coming up by the looks of it. Let's get hold of the dog. Oh, Pete boy. And a bad view over there. It's a bit misty like, but beautiful. Trying to get right up on there. It's a hell of a slug, like. Just keep soldiering on now. We'll get there. It looks like we just walked into a bit of a murder site here, like. Christ, bones everywhere, like. Horse, isn't it, Rocks? Looking at that jaw anyway. That's a beast of a jaw, isn't it? Christ, it must have died here or something. Oh, that's a skull. Look. Oh, big old horse skull. Look. Monster. Crazy, like. Someone's been munching on it. Oh well, keep going. Stunning. Here's the next cairn. Cairn number 3. So it's bigger than here. Stone everywhere here. That'd make a beast of a bonsai, wouldn't it? lovely little trees about here. That'd make a gem, that would. Shit. Oh. Right, coming up to the final push now. Up to the cairn anyway. Whew. We'll have a stop when we get up there and have a drink and that. Yeah, this is going to be a slug. I'll see you at the top. Oh, sweet. Made it here. That's not been potted. Rox, here. Yeah, we just come down these little steps here. It's 5:30, so I'm going to try and get over to that Wernfeck. Mission, but we'll get there. It's 810 metres there. Like, try and find somewhere to camp there, and then we can work our way on round. Then tomorrow morning, go on round along the top of there, back down to the van. That's if the dog's alright. Bless her. And the mission, and yeah, I'll get her something to eat, keep her energy up, and we'll make a move then. I reckon we can do that. She's got to have a tablet at 6:30, so hopefully we can get all that done. Wernfeck's right up there, up on top of there, I think. So I say I've only ever come to that cairn, so we can just smash on over there. If we've had enough, then we can just find somewhere nice to pitch, can we? Don't really matter. Oh well, so we'll have a drink and a snack, and then we'll keep going. That's it, I'm on another push uphill now. Just done all this. It's coming up here now. Never been up here before, so what to expect. Hopefully a trig point. Being a named peak. Highest peak around here, 810 metres. See you when we get there. What's that all about then? They put a netting down or something. It's weird, isn't it? Stop it corroding perhaps. Can't say I've ever seen that before. Like proper netting, like. It's weird, isn't it? Let's do it to help stop the peat from corroding or something. I suppose when it rains hard, I bet that it runs through there. Yeah, it's like little dams, it. It's mad, isn't it? Dammed up. Doesn't corrode the peat. I think we're both about cooked. I'll be there in a minute though. I'll keep slugging on. Keep slugging on. I think Roxy's had enough. She's down there, look, waiting. Come on! Yeah! Why is she going that way? She's an empty. going off-road in here? Come on. Oh, I was expecting a bloody trig point, man. Oh, there's a little OS one there, look. One feck. 810 metres. Right on this rock. And there's no view apart from over there. This is a misty view. And that's where we'll be going tomorrow. Let's just slap a rock on him. Rock balancing's an art, isn't it? There she be there. We got her on. Alright, let's have a drink. We'll work out what we're going to do. Whether we carry on or whether we head over there and find somewhere to pitch. We'll see. I might go for a walk over there. Let's go for a walk over there and have a look. Yeah, this is a little potential spot here in this little divot. I say it's pretty windy. I don't want to be traipsing right the way down there, like to have to walk all the way back up onto this path tomorrow. So I might just pitch up there somewhere. I'll have a little walk around here now, like, and leave my bag there. Come on. Oh, just want to see what's in this little dip just down here, because I want to get down out the wind. I say I don't want to go too bloody far, like. Come in! Come on! To see what's down in this little dip and make a decision. Just set up now, like, and just start having something to eat. You see that kestrel? If you can see it on this camera, I'm just chilling right there, like. Riding the wind. It's coming over here. Oh, yeah. Right, we're all set up. The dog's just had her dinner. She wolfed it down, like, fair play to her. Oh, she's done well today, like. Sunset over there, sunrise over there. Decided on this little spot after, like, it was I did walk down and have a look along here, like, see if there's any nice little spots, but there weren't anywhere really. Go up there anywhere because it's right by the path, like. So we settled for this little cubby hole here, like. It's nice, it's level, so we'll pitch up. Thought we'd pitch up, so we pitched up. It's windy, like, but not too bad. I can feel it in that tent, man. Open the vents up though, I think. Did I open it? Yep, this one's open. The bag's pushing up against it. Such a good dog tent. I say if you can handle a one-maner, then I highly suggest this little beast, like. To be fair, for a one-maner, it's pretty big, like. It's not wide, it's long. Got plenty of vestibule space anyway. Loads of crap in it, like. Just munched a load of cashew nuts. Get some protein. Some rice and that to cook after. Some Some granola to smash as well. Just eating that now, like when that Kestrel come along. So yeah, it's a little bit windy out here, but there's people over there. Like if you really can see, but if you follow that ridge down, it looks like there's loads of people like just there, right on that little where it levels back out a little bit, back down. It's a bit precarious, like. Tomorrow's mission, get up, smash all this, right up round there, right round, and then right the way along here then, right the way along there, drop back down. I'm buzzing for that, I'm starving. Have a little skylark nest by here somewhere, because he's right by here somewhere. Bulge there, I think. He's proper chirping away a minute ago. Well, anyway, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna just chill out. Get some fluids. Smash my granola. Get my head down then, have a nice early start in the morning. Watch that sun come up and then we're away. You alright in there or what? You knackered? You knackered? Good girl. Hey, you're a good girl. Bless her. Knackered. Fresh out here. You can see it. God, that wind's fresh. Do me watching the old boxing, look. Oh, a bit of shelter from that wind. It's bloody fresh, like. Never mind. Morning all. Four o'clock just gone. Just woke up for got up for a piss. Oh, check this out. Gonna be an epic sunrise by the looks of it. When it decides to come. Pretty brutal, like up here last night. Wind was ridiculous, like not in a very sheltered spot yet though. It just started howling at one point. Morning again. I hope
opened up and I went another way and that at 4 o'clock, and then come back in here and got back in my sleeping bag and just woke up now again. Past bloody 6. I'll give Roxy a tablet. After all that, I've missed the bloody sunrise. Sick. That's lovely of you. See right across there this morning. Coffee time.
That's it. We're all packed up. Let the mission begin. Beautiful. Over there. I'm not sure if that's a cairn there or not. I'll slap a stone on it anyway, just in case. I'm going to call it a cairn. Or pile of stones or whatever. Too shabby. Views for days. Absolutely stunning. Smash all this now, up onto there, and then we're heading back. Soak this in for a little bit, I think. Little T junction up here, I like, so I'll stop and have a drink and take my jacket off because it's warming up. And it rocks. She's done well, fair play to her. Here we are, Trig Point. The Trig Point rocks. Phew. Views for days. I'll stop here now and take my jacket off. Whew. Oh, it's nice. 5 minutes here now. Hey, go on. Lads, look at that view. Stunning. Look at that. Beautiful. We'll march on. Yeah, we're on the opposite peaks now, like heading back the way we came. We smashed all that right the way round, and then heading back the opposite direction now and back towards the van. God, that sun is blazing. Absolutely stunning. A bit of a suntan up here, like. Happy days. Next. Whew. We're getting through it. Me rocks. You're a good girl. Needs the sun shining. Got to add your stones. Phew. Oops. Put that one back. There we go. Whew. Now 5 minutes. Yep, that's our 5 minutes in. Whew. Cool, the mission. What's he doing? What's he doing? Gonna be rolling in no shit. Hey? Oh bugger. We'll keep smashing on, we'll have a stop up on top of there. Hey, come here. Ooh. Sweet. Has that been smashed? Whew. Get up there now. I'll have to sit down for a minute. Oh, doing alright for time. Whew. What a beautiful day. Still going. Planes about today. Come on, rocks. Whew. Cooked, man. Some 2 bloody cans of San Miguel I had last night. Not a good idea. Oh, where's that dog? There, sneaky in you. plenty of it about here anyway. No quarry. Yeah, rocks. Good girl. Gonna come up in this area and do a biffy bag camp at some point. Little cubby hole down here, like I wanna do one. Should be. Phew. Smashed it. Got all this to do yet. Yeah, there's a little hole down here. I want to do it down there. Look. Do a bit of a biffy bag camp there at some point. Or anywhere really. There's plenty of holes about here. Shelters from the wind a bit, like. Ah, right there. Keep smashing on. All stunning views. Trig point up here somewhere. Not along it here somewhere anyway. Yeah, I think that's the trig point up on top of there. Further than I thought it was. And you thought it was just over that brow, like. It's all good fun. Beautiful. Mountains for days. Could spend bloody weeks walking around these mountains, man. Beautiful. Kestrel. Little skylarks are kicking off. Here we are, the final trig of the journey. Got one more cairn now to it on Brecken's Wave path, just down along there. We're back down towards the van then. Happy days. So we just come up from round through here, through the sheep now. The old put-put's there now, look. On one of my other videos it was parked down the other road. Must be the farmers. Get on. Yeah, nice easy little stretch now. I think it's I can go down along here now and through the gate and then it's around the corner and down the hill and we're there. God, what a mission. On the last little stretch now. Oh. I tell you, going down here is killing me. My legs are cooked. What is it? 12 o'clock. Started walking at 7:30. About 4.5 hours. A few little stops, but nothing major like. Oh, Roxy's been smashing it, fair play to her. Not bad 2 days spent now. Have to get back on the bush build like next week. Get it all sorted. Have a nice easy night out then up there. This is it. Don't have to walk so far. Well, it ain't as far as what I've been going lately anyway. And it's pretty level, so have a night out in the woods. Can't believe I missed the sunrise this morning. Oh, typical, innit? Woke up at 4 and I was like, oh, it's going to be beautiful, and then woke up, fell back asleep. I thought, oh, I'll lie down for 5 minutes. Mistake. Should have stayed up and had a coffee really. Never mind, nearly back to the van. It. We're back to the van. Busy in your car park today, look. Let's go home, eh? Some protein. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.